If you work from a laptop and travel, you already know the problem. Screens are small. Space is limited. Multitasking is cramped. Sightful Spacetop for Windows changes that completely. It's a software-based AR workspace that runs on AI-capable laptops. You plug in a pair of XREAL AR Ultra 2 glasses and unlock a private, full-size desktop, one that floats in front of you, wherever you are. It's not mirrored. It's not simulated. It's a real Windows environment with full app access. You move between apps, resize them, reposition your workspace without carrying extra gear. Until now, Spacetop needed custom hardware. But with NPUs and modern laptops, the software is finally enough. Sightful spent 4 years getting here. And the #1 request has always been clear: Windows support. It's launching internationally, starting with Germany. Intel, SHI, and Deutsche Telekom are backing it. The $899 bundle includes the AR glasses and a year of access. Our Gear Culture review unit is inbound. We'll test it where it counts, in real travel, real work, real life. You can find more at sightful.com.